Objective of this video is to specify the approach of data management using Polybase and the various essential benefits provided by Polybase. Today's enterprises are dealing with various different dimensions of data. Data is unstructured, semi-structured, and structured. You may have diversified sources from where data may come to your big data layer. Typically, we are talking about Hadoop implementation when we say big data. Polybase capabilities enabled in SQL Server 2016 instance helps us to process data which is stored in Hadoop by using TSQL queries. In other words, we can use the same query that is written for relational table access to access data from Hadoop, where data is stored across multiple different data nodes in its native form. Polybase also enables the same query to join the data from Hadoop and SQL Server. It means that you can have one dimension of data present in Hadoop, another dimension of data present in SQL Server. Polybase enables query to join data from these two diversified sources. Apart from that, Polybase also helps in computations to Hadoop node in order to optimize the overall query execution. Now let's understand how we can enable Polybase. If you want to get support of Polybase, you need to ensure that you have SQL Server 2016 and later version. Please understand that installations done on Windows only will support Polybase. Second important component which is required in order to enable Polybase capabilities is Analytics Platform System. We need to also ensure that we have Azure SQL Data Warehouse products. So with combination of these three important components, we can enable